Wahgwaaaaan YouTube, you don't know Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. Today's video, it is Vlogmas Day 20, oh my god. And today's video, I'll be doing a plus size Shein try on haul. So if you guys want to see me try on these beautiful outfits, stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm just gonna jump right into this video. I got my package from Shein. I already opened it to check if I got everything, and I already tried on the clothes. So I'm just gonna jump right into this video and show you all the nice pieces I got. So first item I have here is a nice crocodile type of skin bag. So it's really cute. It's just, you know, nice and fashionable, just something simple. It's very small, but it can hold like your money, your phone, everything. So I got this bag, and the amount that I paid for will be in the next clip when I show it off with one of my outfits. Like, it's really cute. So the next item I got were these contrast leggings pants. So this is how it looks. It has like these little white lines that's across it. I got this in the size 0XL. I believe that I could have definitely sized down because in the crotch area I felt like it was a bit long. But in the clip that you guys see me trying it on, I actually never pulled up the pants enough because I remade the video and I just forgot to pull up my pants. But yeah, I felt like I could have definitely sized down a bit because the crotch area was big. But other than that, like, it's very comfortable. It has this, like, I think it's like polyester. I'm not even sure of the material. Let me check. Yeah, polyester and spandex. So it's a comfortable material, but the only problem I have is that the crotch area is long. But it's very cute. It's very fashionable. I love it. So the next item I have is this honey shirt. So cute. It reminds me of like Bratz. And at the back it has like a keyhole cut out. So it's very cute. I got this in size 1XL. It fits perfectly. I really love it. In the clip, you guys see me wearing it without a bra. It feels extremely comfortable and looks even better with a bra on. But with the bra, like, over here, you see the strap. So you have to wear probably like a crisscross brassiere with this shirt. But I love this shirt so much. It's so comfortable. The material is good. Yeah, I have no issues with this shirt, so I love it. It's definitely a pass. Next item I have is this oversized crop denim jacket. I love it so much, guys. This is not those cheap denim jackets that feel stretchy. It's very strong. It definitely fit me. I got this in a size 0XL. It's like the perfect size for an oversized jacket on me, and it's cropped and it's so friggin' cute. I love it. I'm just obsessed with the fact that the material is not that cheap denim, the one that's like stretchy, and you know, you guys must know what I'm talking about. Like, this is like a strong denim material, and I know that this is gonna last. It has buttons. Yeah, it's really nice, and it's actually extremely comfortable, and it's so stylish, and I love this jacket. So it was a pass for me. Next item I have, I also have it in black, is this one sleeve shirt. So I have it in nude as well as I have it in black. So this is it. And I got this in size 1XL. So with this shirt, if you're planning on wearing a bra with it, I would recommend to size up, or if you have big boobs, I would recommend to size up probably 2 times, because when I had my bra on with it, underneath, the bottom part of my bra was showing, and I didn't really like that. So that's why in the clip you see me wearing it without a bra, because I felt like it looked better without the bra. But if you guys want to wear it with a bra, you definitely have to size up about 2 times, depending on how big your breasts are. You definitely have to size up. This is it in black, so it's the exact same thing in black. And same thing with it. If you want to wear a bra, size up about 2 times, depending on how big your breast is, even 3. But with the bra on, with the bra off, it fits okay. The next item is this teddy jacket. Guys, this is one of my top favorite items from this haul, or this from Shein, this order. So it's just this pink and black color block jacket. Guys, it's so soft, it's so comfortable, it doesn't feel cheap or anything. Look at it. The one issue I have with it, even though this is like one of my top favorite stuff from this shipment, is that there's no pockets. Like I'm a girl, I love pockets, I like putting things in my pockets, but other than that, like, it's so freaking cute. Like, you can dress it up and you can definitely dress it down. But guys, I love this. It's so comfortable. It's like one of my top favorites. So guys, I have this sweater. I love this sweater so friggin' much. It's like an asymmetrical bottom turtleneck sweater. It's so cute. See the turtleneck? This cannot be worn as a dress because of how short the asymmetrical section is. It looks like it wants to be worn as a dress, but it can't be worn as a dress. It has to be a sweater with some stylish pants or denim, whatever you choose to wear with it. But guys, I definitely love this. Like this, and it's so comfortable. As I said before, like this material does not feel cheap like how some items would feel cheap. Get it from other places, but trust me, this is really comfortable. It's actually very, 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 very warm. So I love this. It was oh yeah, I got this in a size I got this in 0XL. And also the sweater before, I forgot to tell you guys, I got that sweater in, you know, the other sweater in 0XL as well. So yeah, those fit me very well. So my last item, which is actually like my favorite item from this because it's also my favorite color, but not only that, it's so comfortable, is this sweater dress. Guys, I love this dress. I love it. Oh my god, like this dress is such a good material. Like, it's so comfortable, it's so soft, it's so warm. Like when I wear it, it feels snuggly. Like I feel like I can fall asleep in it. It's so comfortable, like it's just perfect. Like whatever material this is, it's perfect, and I love it. It would look so nice to wear like to a restaurant, even though COVID locked down the place. But it is such a nice dress. In the clip, I wish I had a better hairstyle, so you know, I would have complimented the dress. But guys, I love this dress. It's my favorite thing from this haul. I love it. Oh my god, guys, it's so nice. Those are all the items that I bought from Shein. I'm looking to place another order for like some summer stuff. I want to start collecting, you know, my summer spring clothes because I like to get those things in advance. And also I do travel to Jamaica a lot, so I need a bunch of summer clothes because I never know when I'm gonna go. But yes guys, honestly, all these clothes, I enjoy it. The only ones that I had a problem with was the one sleeve shirt, where, as I said, if you wear a bra with it, you would have to size up a bunch, like probably size 2, goes 2 sizes up. And the first pants, where I said I could have sized down and the crotch area is a little bit long, but other than that, like, I love these clothes. Shein, good prices, everything is good quality that I got here. I've ordered from Shein before, and what I've bought previous was also good quality. So I really love their clothes, and I love their style and everything for curve. Because guys, you know that plus size stuff, it's hard to get like stuff that looks very stylish for plus size people, you know, because I don't know, like some stores the clothes just ugly for plus size people, but Shein has a good style selection for us plus size fluffy divas. Thank you guys for watching this try on haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to share it with no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no auntie, no uncle, no everybody, yeah. And stay tuned for the next video, which will be Vlogmas Day 21. We're almost there, guys.